you see me on
Not really.
used to be over
I
there.
can
So
see.
why
don't you come on this side?
I can. Okay.
all right. So just so that everybody.
This low style.
Yeah. Okay, Miss Lou style. So after three, one, two, three. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Kama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss
Kama. Happy
Kama.
birthday.
Sing the chorus. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Kama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Miss Kama. Happy birthday.
Woo!
Hip, hip.
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
All right. So who's going to cut the cake with Miss Kama?
Anyone have any
Anybody?
more to say?
Who going?
No, my age gone long time after.
Before we cut the cake, anybody wants to say something, anything at all to Miss Kama? Anybody wants to? All right.
Hello. Okay, so just going to say blessings to Kama Mahako on her 50th birthday, and we wish her the happiest rest of her life possible. We hope she enjoys today and enjoys every day after that. And thank you for putting on the party and having us all here. All right, next person.
You're welcome, my beautiful.
Anyone else?
Well, let me first of all say thank you to everybody who took the time out to come and celebrate this milestone with me. This is the first time I'm having a birthday party. Yeah, this is my first birthday party, but it's my 50th, so I definitely could not let this one pass without commemorating and inviting all those who are dearest to me to come and share in this moment. So I really appreciate that you took the time out. I know it's Easter, big holiday, and I think that's the reason why some of my students not here, because I really expected all my students to be here, but it fell on the Easter, so I have to share that. But I appreciate those who took the time out to come and share this moment with me. I hope you enjoy the wonderful food that has been prepared. And I hope when the liquor gets into you, you start shake your booty. Yeah, we want to see some booty shaking, right? All right, so thank you again and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Anyone else? Oh, just
Okay, I'm the second sister. I just want to say, happy birthday. You're fucking 50 already before me, but I'm getting there too. But I want to wish you all the best, and I want to give God all the thanks and all the glory for having a sister like you. It's awesome. So all the best, and wishing you many more to come, sis.
Thank you, sis.
sit here, man.
Okay, neighbor,
You're a wonder.
my young neighbor.
Yes, you're so sweet. Is this lady here? You see her, don't look at her. She's not very simple, Hey, if you get into to know her in her work day activities, you'll be surprised. She has a lot of energy, and she's very, what I would say, simple, but not simple. She's very stern. You see, she should come around and they can do as they like. Yeah, understand me? I've had had some experience with her. She's very nice, very gentle lady, and I think she could be Jamaica's first queen. A happy birthday! And I wish her 50 more years on the 50.
Thank you, Miss
All the best.
Anyone? Anyone else?
I short speech.
Slower. All right. Merci, very loud. Anyone else?
I just want to say,
Come up in the video light.
no man, I'm saying, I'm okay. I want to say, come on, he's a very nice lady, right? Always appreciate others, and quiet lady, never used to quarreling nor anything. I can say that. And you know, I just want to wish you all the best on your birthday, and may you live to see many, many more.
Well said. Well said. Anyone, you want to say something, Zane?
I love you, Miss Kama, and happy birthday, and many, wish you many more to come.
Thank you, Zane. Zane is our little chemist.
So I want to say happy birthday to my mother, to my teacher, to my favorite person, and I hope you live to see many more birthdays. And I couldn't miss this one.
Wanna sing for me?
Of course.
Okay, anyone else? Happy birthday, and I hope you live to see many more to come. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Well, Kamala has been a very special person to me. I think from the first time I met her, there was just a connection, and I really love her, and I'm just glad to be here with everybody.
Anyone else? Just beautiful. Hello, good evening. All I have to say to the birthday girl, happy birthday, and may God bless you to live to see many more, and stay as sweet as you are. Good evening. Happy birthday, Kamal, and all of God's richest blessings on you, and may God continue to
She's gonna
bless
be here one time.
and
And I'm
keep
gonna
you as sweet as you are. Okay.
You see all the
Anyone-
flowers that I have in my garden? I steal it from her.
Anything to say?
Come on.
Miss Kama, I want to wish you a happy birthday, Miss. I wish you many more years.
Thanks for coming out. Yeah, make sure you get on the video.
I'm not a big person on speech or everything, but happy birthday to you, my dear. I wish you the best. And I wish you the part that you are on, you continue that part, the students and all. And don't use up too much energy, can you say later? Later will be great.
Pussy. Have anything to say?
I want to wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope you live to see many more years. And all I can say is just go easy tonight. Go easy tonight. Wait. I know you have your undercover things.
You want to remain in Washington?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to remain the and then sweet girl in the world.
I just want to say happy birthday. I wish you have many more to come, and thank you for everything that you've done for like a lot of people here, and myself included. So happy birthday.
Okay, and let me add something. Thank you, Ren. I don't know how I forgot. I should have started with this. So three of my kids are here. One is not. And the one who is missing, it's also his birthday today. So we want to also wish Kuti happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuti.
Kuti was born on my birthday, and it's very special because I delivered him right here in my
I
bathroom.
remember this. I was
So,
present.
yes, so two of us were present. She was what, 3 years old?
Yes, I was. I was witness.
And he decided he didn't want to wait for the hospital. So I delivered him on my birthday. So it's really special. Whenever my birthday comes, that's Cootie's birthday. He's not here in flesh, but definitely here in spirit. So happy birthday to Cootie as well.
Okay, well said, mommy, well said. I have something to say on behalf of Akil, who started the school. One of the first students who started this school. So it has been a long time since we are together. Wanted to take this moment to celebrate Miss Kama and her special day. Miss Kama, you have with me since I was 9. You teaching me wisdom have been with me since through it all. You have been like a second mother to me. You have guided me, corrected me, you supported me every step of the way. If you wasn't for me instilling morals of being a high value man. You hear? My man now. He's a high value man. Yes. And a value man. And discipline, honest. I didn't know where I would be today. I want to wish you a big, heartfelt happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything you have done for me. Miss Kama, we love you. I've been with you since, and I love you, and I really appreciate it. She mean a lot to me. She mean a lot. I never leave her. No matter what, I never leave her. And she has been there for us. And I thank you so much.
I appreciate everybody who was.
Anyone else?
You ready to sing? You ready to sing? We have a songbird.
You want to sing, Nardika?
She's a songbird. Which one you want to bless us?
Is it going?
That's what you want to sing?
There's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Ooh, there's something about, come on, I want you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Cause she move like a boss, talk like a boss, make you connect together, better care of. She fly effortlessly, and she made for a boss, only a boss. Said to get lost. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, that's why I love her.
Sorry, you're going to play this song? She's right.
Young, independent, yes, she work hard. You can't tell from the way that she walks. She don't slow down, cause she ain't got time to be complaining. Shorty gon' shine. She don't expect nothing from no guy. She plays aggressive, but she still shy. You never know.
I should probably pause this then.